teacher. She is only and then you said I'm obsessed your teacher? No. She is the one obsessed. When me and your big leader, big wallet, big mamal, big idiot, big paranoid, bad father to the children. When me and him starting have not good, like fighting each other, the teacher is interfering. And I am shocked that time who she is, that she keeping bad comment against on me. And some person knowing with her and say, oh, that is a friend of a big wallet. That's why. That's why he protecting with the big wallet, because the big wallet is the making bridge into the fisher. That's so that the teacher and the fisher had a relationship. That's why she cannot turn around and abandon with the big wallet, because big wallet had giving on her, had in a better life to meet with a dirty fisher pad that had a virus skinny problem in the legs.